Dear team members, very good day to you. As we have come close to the end of 2020, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for everything you people have done to make APIT a successful, a terrific place to work. The endless hours that you have spent working on each and every project and the professionalism that you have shown has impressed the entire team APIT immensely. Your diligence, self-motivation, as well as dedication have been source of inspiration for the whole family of APIT. 2020 was very challenging year for every human being, and it was really crucial for APIT also. On behalf of APIT, I would like to extend my appreciation for the amazing work done by you people. Kudos to every team member of APIT. You people have worked without any fear in the COVID situation also, especially service team and installation team. You brought smile on our customers. Today it is very proud to say that every customer of APIT is happy with our solution and our service. For any organization, it is the biggest achievement, that is to see the smile on his first customer face. Every team member's excitement, energy matter to us. You always come up with new ideas which helps us. You add enthusiasm to the team. Your contribution inspires us. Your innovative ideas act as solution to the hindrances faced by the company. It's my pleasure to thank you for exceeding the sales target for the 3 years in a row. I hope you continue to perform like this. We are the youngest company in the paddy processing field to acquire more than 1 billion INR worth projects in a calendar year. Dear friends, we changed the way of parboiling process. We changed the way steaming of the grain. We changed the way the idea of aging. We changed the way how drying of grain to happen. As a highly responsible solution provider, our priority solution is aimed at feeding the most nutri-rich rice to every rice consumer. We have to give the best nutrition rice to each and every consumer, and we have to make rice consumer to purchase rice only on nutrition basis rather than shiny glamour basis. Now, 2021 will be the most exciting year for rice processing industry and the rice millers, because APIT is launching most exciting products. And among that, we are launching the most intelligent dryer on the planet. This dryer will going to talk literally to the grain, to the weather, to the operator, and every operator will enjoy the process of the drying in near future. And one more product we are launching is called ButtaBox, which is artificial intelligence powered, pre-programmed, the black box which will going to attach to the every soaking tank on the planet, which will going to control and which will going to literally tell every operator when you have to stop the soaking. We understand your value as a member to our team. We value your talent and skills. We believe that such a team member, the company will reach the real height of the success. Thank you very much. Let's say thank you for this challenging year, which taught many things us in many ways. And we'll accept new year with the courage, spirit, and that too spirit of humanity, and with a new vision and ambition. And dear friends, have a great new year. Rock your day. Thank you very much.